Blink once and you might miss the tool that could completely change how you work in 2026. Because AU Techverse is about to reveal 20 next-level tools that feel like they're from the future. These aren't viral gimmicks. They're real, problem-solving tools people are already buying on Amazon, and every official Amazon link is waiting in the description. Stay with us till the end, because one of these tools might replace something you're still struggling with today. HOTO 16-volt brushless power drill. Imagine working in a tight cabinet or assembling furniture late at night, where space is limited and control matters more than raw power. The HOTO 16-volt brushless power drill is built exactly for that kind of work. Its brushless motor delivers smooth, consistent performance with less heat and longer tool life. The compact body feels balanced in hand, while adjustable torque settings help prevent overdriving screws. An integrated LED light improves visibility in dark corners. It's a reliable, modern drill that makes everyday DIY and home projects faster, cleaner, and more precise. DEWALT 192 pieces, mechanics tool set. Picture a weekend repair that starts simple but slowly turns into a hunt for the right socket. The DEWALT 192 pieces mechanics tool set is designed to stop that frustration before it begins. With a wide range of sockets, ratchets, and accessories, it covers most automotive, mechanical, and household repair needs in one organized case. The tools feel solid in hand and are built for repeated use without rounding fasteners. Whether you're maintaining your car or handling garage projects, this set gives you confidence that the right tool is always within reach. KingTool 276-piece toolset kit. You open the case for a small fix and suddenly realize you're prepared for almost anything. The KingTool 276-piece toolset kit is built for those moments when one repair turns into several. With a broad mix of sockets, wrenches, hex keys, and driver bits, it's designed to handle home maintenance, furniture assembly, and basic mechanical work without constant trips to the toolbox. Everything has a labeled spot, so tools stay organized and easy to find. For buyers who want one comprehensive kit that covers everyday needs, this set delivers practical value and long-term convenience. DEWALT 20-volt max cordless drill and impact driver. Combo kit. You start with drilling a clean hole, then immediately need driving power for long screws. And switching tools without slowing down makes all the difference. The DEWALT 20-volt max cordless drill and impact driver combo kit is made for exactly this workflow. The drill handles controlled drilling and fastening, while the impact driver delivers high torque for tougher driving tasks. Both tools run on the same 20-volt max battery platform, keeping your setup simple and efficient. For DIYers and professionals alike, this combo saves time, reduces effort, and makes demanding projects feel far more manageable. DEWALT 20-volt max XR oscillating tool. Kit with blades. You're trimming a door frame, cutting drywall around an outlet, or sanding a tight corner where nothing else fits. That's where the DEWALT 20-volt max XR oscillating tool earns its place. Its oscillating motion allows precise plunge cuts, flush cuts, and detail sanding without damaging surrounding surfaces. The variable speed control helps match power to the task, while the cordless design keeps you mobile on the job. Included blades expand its usefulness right out of the box. It's the kind of tool that quietly handles the hardest-to-reach tasks and saves hours of manual effort. DEWALT cordless. Screwdriver. You're assembling furniture or tightening hardware, and a full-size drill suddenly feels like overkill. The DEWALT cordless screwdriver is built for those precise, everyday tasks where control matters most. Its compact design fits comfortably in the hand, making it easy to work in drawers, cabinets, and tight spaces. The motor delivers steady power for driving screws without stripping heads, while the cordless setup keeps things quick and convenient. This is the tool you grab when you want speed without bulk, turning small jobs into smooth, stress-free work that actually feels effortless. Worx Zipsnip cordless electric scissors. You're cutting thick cardboard, plastic packaging, or fabric for a project, and regular scissors just aren't cutting it anymore. The Worx Zipsnip cordless electric scissors turn that struggle into a smooth, controlled motion. Its self-sharpening blade glides through materials like corrugated cardboard, leather, vinyl, and thin plastics with ease. The lightweight, cordless design gives you freedom to cut anywhere without hand fatigue. It's especially useful for DIY projects, crafts, and frequent box cutting. Once you use it, you realize how much time and effort this simple but smart tool can save. Klein Tools 935 DAG, Digital Electronic Level and Angle Gauge. You're installing shelves, setting conduit, or aligning equipment, and almost level just isn't good enough. The Klein Tools 935 DAG Digital Electronic Level and Angle Gauge gives you precise digital readings that remove guesswork completely. Its strong magnetic base lets it lock onto metal surfaces for hands-free use, while the clear digital display is easy to read even in low light. The compact size makes it ideal for tight spaces where traditional levels struggle. For professionals and serious DIYers who demand accuracy, this tool delivers confidence every time you set an angle or check alignment. Klein Tools ET310 AC Circuit Breaker. Finder. You're standing in front of a crowded breaker panel, flipping switches and guessing which one controls a single outlet. The Klein Tools ET310 AC Circuit Breaker Finder removes that trial and error frustration. You plug the transmitter into an outlet, scan the panel with the receiver, and quickly identify the correct breaker without cutting power to the entire space. It's designed for standard residential and commercial AC circuits and gives clear, repeatable results. For electricians, technicians, or homeowners, this tool saves time, reduces mistakes, and makes electrical work safer and far more efficient. Fanttik E2 Ultra Mini Electric Screwdriver. You're working on small electronics, glasses, or precision devices where too much force can ruin everything. The Fanttik E2 Ultra Mini Electric Screwdriver is designed for those delicate, detail-focused jobs. Its slim, pen-style body offers excellent control, while the electric motor provides consistent torque for tiny screws. With multiple precision bits included, it adapts easily to different devices. The rechargeable battery keeps it ready for regular use without interruptions. For anyone who repairs gadgets or handles fine assembly work, this tool brings speed and precision together in a compact professional solution. WOLFBOX MF50 Compressed Air Duster. You're cleaning a keyboard, camera gear, or a dusty PC case, and disposable air cans just don't last long enough. The WOLFBOX MF50 Compressed Air Duster is built to replace them with a powerful, reusable solution. It delivers strong, consistent airflow to blow dust out of tight spaces without moisture or residue. The rechargeable design means no refills and no waste, making it practical for long-term use. Whether it's electronics, car interiors, or workshop cleanup, this tool keeps your gear clean while saving money and effort every time you use it. Fanttik F2 Master Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit. You're polishing a small metal edge, engraving a detail, or cleaning rust from a tight spot where full-size tools feel clumsy. The Fanttik F2 Master Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit is designed for precision work like this. Its compact body gives excellent control, while variable speed lets you match power to delicate tasks. The cordless design keeps movement smooth and unrestricted, and the included accessories make it ready for sanding, grinding, and light cutting right away. For hobbyists, DIYers, and detail-focused projects, this tool delivers versatility in a size that feels effortless to use. MOSSY RAK Multitool 21-in-1 Multitool. You're outdoors, in the garage, or dealing with a quick fix when carrying a full toolbox just isn't practical. The MOSSY RAK 21-in-1 Multitool is built for those moments where versatility matters most. It combines essential tools like pliers, blades, screwdrivers, and cutters into one compact, foldable design. The stainless steel construction feels solid and dependable in hand, while the locking mechanism adds control during use. Whether it's camping, emergency repairs, or everyday carry, this multi-tool gives you multiple solutions in one reliable space-saving tool. RAK Multitool Pen 8-in-1. You're in the middle of a quick task and realize you need a screwdriver, a ruler, or even a stylus, but none of them are nearby. The RAK 8-in-1 Multitool Pen is designed for exactly these everyday moments. Disguised as a regular pen, it combines multiple small tools into a compact form that fits easily in a pocket or desk drawer. It's ideal for light fixes, measurements, and touchscreen use without carrying extra gear. For office, home, or on-the-go situations, this pen proves that small tools can still be surprisingly useful. Seesii Mini Chainsaw, 6-inch. You're trimming branches in the yard or cutting small logs for a quick cleanup, and a full-size chainsaw feels unnecessary and heavy. The Seesii 6-inch Mini Chainsaw is designed for controlled, one-handed cutting in situations like this. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver, while the cordless design keeps you moving freely without cords or fuel. It delivers clean cuts through branches and light wood with minimal effort. For homeowners, gardeners, and DIY users, this mini chainsaw offers a practical balance of power, portability, and everyday cutting convenience. TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool. You notice a warning light on the dashboard, and suddenly every driver feels uncertain. The TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro OBD2 scanner is built to remove that guesswork before you head to a repair shop. It connects directly to your vehicle's OBD2 port and reads diagnostic trouble codes clearly, helping you understand what's actually going on. The handheld design feels solid and professional, with a straightforward interface that doesn't slow you down. For car owners and technicians alike, this scanner turns confusing alerts into clear information and smarter repair decisions. WETOLS Rivnut Toolkit, 14-inch Rivnut tool. You're working with thin metal where traditional nuts and bolts just won't hold securely. The WETOLS 14-inch Rivnut Toolkit is designed for exactly these fastening challenges. It allows you to install threaded rivet nuts cleanly into sheet metal, pipes, and other thin materials, creating strong, reusable threads. The long handles provide solid leverage, making installations smoother and more controlled. With multiple mandrels and rivet nut sizes included, it adapts to different jobs easily. For automotive work, metal fabrication, or DIY projects, this tool delivers professional strength fastening without complicated setups. DIYtoolifz Cordless Tire Inflator Air Compressor. You're on the road, notice low tire pressure, and the nearest service station is miles away. The DIYtoolifz Cordless Tire Inflator Air Compressor is built for moments like this. Its compact, cordless design lets you inflate car, bike, or motorcycle tires anywhere without relying on external power. The digital display shows real-time pressure, helping you stop at the right level instead of guessing. Preset functions make operations simple, even in stressful situations. For drivers who value preparedness and convenience, this inflator turns a potential problem into a quick, controlled fix. BOSCH PR2-0EVS Colt 1.0 HP Variable Speed Palm Router. You're shaping an edge, cutting a clean groove, or trimming laminate where precision matters more than size. The BOSCH PR20E VS Colt Palm Router is built for that kind of detailed routing work. Its 1.0 horsepower motor delivers controlled power, while the variable speed dial lets you match the speed to different materials and bits. The compact palm grip design offers excellent balance and control, even during longer sessions. For woodworkers and serious DIYers, this router turns fine routing tasks into smooth, predictable work with professional-level results. AOBEN Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set, 3/8-inch. You're working under a car or inside a tight engine bay, where swinging a regular ratchet feels impossible. The AOBEN Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set is designed to solve exactly that problem. Its compact head fits into narrow spaces, while the electric motor spins fasteners quickly once they're loosened. The 3/8-inch drive makes it suitable for common automotive and mechanical tasks, and the cordless design keeps movement smooth and unrestricted. For maintenance work where speed and access matter, this tool turns slow, tiring jobs into efficient, controlled repairs. That wraps up all 20 amazing next-level tools on Amazon that are shaping how work gets done in 2026. If even one of these tools made you rethink your setup, hit the like button so more creators see this kind of content. Drop a comment and tell us which tool you'd actually buy first. And if you want honest, practical tech and tool reviews without the hype, subscribe to AU TechVerse. Because smarter tools deserve smarter choices.